The tips which I'm going to tell is already recommended by Ministry of Ayush in India. This is Dr. Divya Menon, Medical Director of Swasthya Ayurveda Clinic in Dubai. So the first is use only warm water for drinking. Whenever you are in a position to drink water because of thirst, you should use only lukewarm water. Then comes do respiratory exercises on daily basis like yoga, pranayama and meditation to keep your lungs and respiratory tract completely healthy. The third is use of natural kitchen herbs which should be available in all Indian kitchens. Some of them are turmeric, coriander, garlic and cumin seeds. So these four ingredients are like the gem of immune boosters. So in each preparation, whatever you cook for as food, you can use all these four ingredients. Now comes the use of an Ayurvedic herbal preparation called Chavanaprasha. It might be common among Indians, but it's a confectionery preparation which you have to take 1 teaspoon morning and 1 teaspoon evening and followed by a glass of milk. That is how it works on your body properly. So Chavanaprasham is basically a medicinal preparation which has got a lot of gooseberry or amla in it. And as you all might be knowing, amla is rich in vitamin C. So that's very, very important at this stage to keep up your immune levels high. Then if you are a diabetic patient or you are under control for sweet foods, you can also use sugar-free Chyawanprash, or you can just remove Chyawanprash from the diet only for the diabetics, and you can use all the other tips which I am giving you right now. Okay. The second is drinking a type of herbal tea or a decoction which you can very easily prepare, and on daily basis 2-3 times daily if you drink this tea, that will work wonders for your immune system. I'll tell you the ingredients for this herbal tea. It should be made basically with tulsi leaves is basil leaves, then cinnamon, black pepper, dry ginger and raisins. So this you can use once, twice or thrice daily in your diet. All this you can boil in 1 cup of water and reduce it to half, strain it and drink it. Only thing, you are not supposed to keep it for a while or so. Once you prepare it, you have to finish it off that time itself, and it can be consumed by any age people, like not only children or adults or geriatric people. Everybody can use it. And if you're not diabetic or you're not controlling your sugar levels, you can add jaggery to it. Or those who are controlling sugar levels, they can add lime juice or anything which enhances the flavor to it. One more preparation which I would like to tell, and very important one, is golden milk. It has got nothing to do with gold. Golden milk is a preparation in which we have to add turmeric and boil it with 1 cup of milk. So the turmeric, when we boil with milk, automatically the color of milk changes and it becomes a yellowish golden color. So that preparation is very important, especially in children and old age people. If you drink this golden milk, it will work as gold for your body. Now comes nasal application, that is sesame oil or coconut oil if you apply on the nose, and there is a procedure called Nasya. That is one karma among pancha karmas, one important shodhana karma among 5 karmas. So if you do normal nasya with coconut oil or til oil, that is the same oil, on daily basis, it will keep your nasal linings moist and it will not dry and chip up. So the chance of getting respiratory infections will be reduced. Next therapy is called oil pulling therapy, or in Sanskrit we call it as kabala. So kabala therapy means you have to retain sesame oil or coconut oil, or a special preparation for kabala and gandusha is Adimedadi Tailam. So if you use these oils, that is oil pulling means you have to retain this oil for 30 seconds or so in the in the mouth and just spit it out, and then gargle your mouth with warm water thereafter, or a pinch of salt diluted with warm water thereafter. You can gargle and clean your mouth. This is also very important to keep your oral lining moist and healthy. Especially the oil called Arimidadi Taila works wonders for your teeth as well. By chance you have a sore throat or a flu symptom, so in the initial stages, if you feel that the situation is not very grave, you can use steam inhalation. That can be made a part of your daily regime as well. So for steam inhalation, you should use the water boiled with mint leaves and clove. Pudina leaves and clove, boil the water, take a blanket on top of you and just inhale the steam, because these are very good anti-inflammatory medicines. So when you take the steam in, it will give warmth to your respiratory tract and it removes the clogs from the respiratory tract. Turmeric. Out of all these medicines and herbs whichever I told you today, turmeric is the key factor. Everybody should use turmeric. If you don't get turmeric powder, the best one, you can get turmeric, the roots of turmeric from grocery shops or department stores. Actually, the turmeric is something which is usually present in all Indian kitchens, but those who don't have it, let me tell you, it has got a medicinal property which is anti-inflammatory, not for respiratory diseases but for the whole body, for joint pain or any inflammation. It acts as an anti-inflammatory medicine because it has got a component called curcumin, which acts as an antioxidant plus anti-inflammatory medicine, and it also helps to increase your immune power because it's an antioxidant as well. So if you are in pain or you have nasal congestion or chest congestion and you are using turmeric properly in proper manner, this will definitely help you to get relief from those situations.